Conversed AI is making waves as one of the newest AI software solutions hitting the market, and in this review, I'm going to share the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you've been searching for the best AI software to streamline your business or digital marketing efforts, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know if Conversed AI is worth your time. Let's dive in. First up, Conversed AI is designed to revolutionize how businesses interact with their customers. It's all about creating seamless, personalized conversations with your audience, whether it's through chatbots, email automation, or customer service. What sets Conversed apart is how it blends sophisticated AI-driven insights with easy-to-use interfaces. Even if you're not a tech expert, setting up and running campaigns with this software feels intuitive. One of the key features you should know about is its advanced natural language processing. This allows Conversed to truly understand customer intent, making interactions more human-like than with many other AI systems out there. Whether you're running a small business or managing a larger team, this functionality can drastically improve your communication efficiency. Second, Conversed AI helps with automation in a way that you can trust. It offers customizable workflows that let you automatically engage with customers across multiple channels. Imagine handling your customer service, marketing emails, or sales inquiries without needing to manually respond to each one. Conversed handles that for you. This saves time, reduces errors, and ultimately boosts your productivity. But what really impressed me is Conversed's ability to handle complex multi-step conversations. Whether it's a sales funnel or a technical support issue, Conversed can keep track of the entire conversation history and ensure that each step is logical and relevant. This makes it an excellent tool for businesses that deal with a high volume of inquiries, making sure your customers get consistent, on-brand responses every time. Now, if you're into data, Conversed AI is a goldmine. The analytics dashboard provides clear insights into how your customer interactions are performing. This means you can continuously refine and improve your strategies based on real-time data. Whether it's tweaking a campaign for better engagement or understanding customer sentiment, the analytics tools are a game changer. Another standout feature is the level of customization Conversed offers. Unlike other AI platforms that can feel a bit like one-size-fits-all solutions, Conversed allows you to tailor its features to fit your unique business needs. This level of flexibility is ideal for businesses of all sizes and industries. I also want to highlight Conversed's integration capabilities. The platform works well with various third-party apps, so whether you're using a CRM like Salesforce or a marketing tool like MailChimp, Conversed can connect seamlessly with those services to give you a unified view of your customer interactions. It's this kind of integration that makes Conversed stand out in a crowded field of AI software. Finally, Conversed AI is user-friendly. Its clean interface and easy setup are crucial for anyone who doesn't have a technical background. You can start seeing results quickly without the need for complicated training or coding. That means less time spent on setup and more time focused on your business. You can try Conversed AI for free from the first link below, so definitely check that out if you're interested in seeing how it can help your business. And before I wrap up, I want to remind you that I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've linked my top recommendations down in the description. So if you're looking for even more ways to optimize your digital marketing and automate your business, those links will be super helpful. To sum it up, Conversed AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their customer interactions with cutting-edge automation and AI. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this software has something to offer. Make sure to grab the free trial and see for yourself how Conversed can enhance your business.